How to install Postman CLI on Windows. To install the Postman CLI on Windows, perform the following steps. That means, first of all, open PowerShell as an administrator. Then right-click on the Start button and select Windows PowerShell Admin or Terminal Admin. In the PowerShell window, copy and paste the following prompt, that is PowerShell.exe. Give a space dash no profile, give a space dash input format. This command downloads and executes an installation script that sets up the Postman CLI on your system. The script typically includes the Postman's binary within the %user profile % /AppData /local /micros of /Windows app directories. Then after the installation complete, you could verify it by opening a new PowerShell or a command prompt Windows and typing in postman dash give a space double dash and version. The command should display the installed version of the Postman CLI, confirming a successful installation. So that is how it works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.